Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set or turn on the do not disturb on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to click on setting. After that you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of sound and vibration. So here you have to tap on sound and vibration, and inside the sound and vibration setting you can see the screen, and from here you have to scroll on the down. Here you can see the do not disturb. Okay, so if you want to on the do not disturb, you just click on this icon. The do not disturb will be activated and the call and notifications will be in the silent. Okay, it will not game. Okay, and you can schedule also. Here you can see the schedule turn on time. You can schedule also, and if you want to on the schedule, just click on this icon. The schedule also will be activated. See, start 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. repeat every day. Okay, if you want to activate this one, you can activate. You can change the start timing and the end timing. Okay, by moving this small arrow you can change it also. I just turn off, and you can activate this when device is locked also. You can notify about calls. Okay, I select none. You can select this one. Okay, from contact only, from start contact only, you can select anyone. From everyone also you can select, and here you can see the notify about repeat calls. Okay, if you want to activate you can activate. Okay, I just off the do not disturb. If you want to off you can off like this. Okay, call and notifications will be started to begin. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.